How you can download or save a YouTube playlist to see it offline. Before we begin, make sure you like the video and subscribe to the channel for more informative videos like this one. Alright, let's begin. First of all, open any web browser you have and then search for youtube.com. And once you do that, this will take you to your YouTube, and make sure you're logged in here. So after you make sure that you've logged in, just search for the playlist that you want to save. I'm just going to search for a web development playlist right here. And if you want to filter it out more, you can just click on this filters and then select the type to playlist, and this will show you all of the playlists that are available on YouTube. Alright, so let's say if I want to save this playlist right here, what I'm gonna do is click on this full playlist, view full playlist, and this is gonna open the playlist, and you can see all of the videos in here. And if you want to download it, you can see at the left here above this play all button, there is a save playlist button, there is share, there is download, and there is another option. So if you just want to save it so that you can see it online afterwards, you can just click on this one, and this will save it to your library. And if you want to download, just click on this button right here, and it will start downloading everything offline so you can view it later on, even if you don't have internet connections. And that's how you can easily download any kind of YouTube playlist to view later. I hope this video was helpful, and I'll see you on the next one. Thank you for watching.